Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
And our tail.
Okay.
This is tail, right?
Yeah. So really.
23.
Michael Jordan.
Run towards the direction of the marked SFPD vehicle while the van he drove continued to roll forward, striking the fence.
In San Antonio, Texas, a rookie police officer, James Brennan, made a grave mistake during a late-night incident at a McDonald's. With only 7 months on the force, Brennan mistakenly identified a vehicle as stolen, leading to a tense confrontation. Despite discovering the car wasn't connected to the reported disturbance, he called for backup and approached the vehicle. When the driver, 17-year-old Eric Cantu, attempted to flee, Brennan fired multiple shots at the moving car. Cantu and his girlfriend were found nearby, and Brennan faced severe consequences, including dismissal and criminal charges. This incident was an individual failure, not reflective of department policies or training. Amid the allegations, Brennan's attorney, Nico LaHood, expressed concern about a rush to judgment, emphasizing the need for a full investigation.
Police officer, it had nothing to do with our policies. Policies did not allow that. Our training does not teach that. So this was a fail.
Cantu sustained severe injuries after the shooting, including damage to his stomach, diaphragm, lungs, liver, bicep, and forearm. He underwent life support for nearly 6 weeks and a tracheotomy. Eric Cantu, his father, acknowledged the long road to recovery, but remained determined. Attorney Ben Crump, known for handling police brutality cases, welcomed the indictments and appreciated the support. The recent indictments are seen as a step toward justice. Bexar County District Attorney Joe Gonzalez emphasized the importance of ensuring the accused never returns to law enforcement. Brennan's criminal trial began in June 2023. In a separate incident, officers Courtney Brown and Christy Wilson pursued a speeding driver, Sarah Webb, but faced a controversial decision. Despite a malfunctioning radar gun, they considered arresting Webb for reckless driving. Shockingly, they left her fate to a coin toss, with Officer Wilson saying, regardless of the coin's outcome, they arrested Sarah Webb for driving too fast in poor conditions. After public outrage, an internal investigation led to the officer's dismissal due to unethical conduct, and the charges against Webb were dropped. Roswell Police Chief Rusty Grant expressed disappointment in their behavior, stating it didn't represent the department's hardworking officers.
And you know how fast you were just going, ma'am?
I'm so sorry, I'm late for work.
Emphasizing the need for higher police standards, officials expressed dismay over the officers' actions. Roswell Mayor Lori Henry condemned their behavior as inexcusable and unprofessional, not representative of the community-serving values upheld by the police force. City Administrator Gary Palmer announced a comprehensive investigation into the police department to address broader issues and ensure professionalism and compassion among officers.
They had our tail.
Okay.
This is tail, right?
Yeah. So really.
23.
Michael Jordan. Hi. So I got too fast for. Let me write this down.
Too fast for conditions.
Is it reckless?
On December 1st, 2017, rookie officer Chris Samayoa responded to a distressing call in San Francisco's Potrero Hill neighborhood. Keita O'Neill had allegedly assaulted and stolen a state lottery van. During a pursuit, O'Neill abandoned the van, attempting to flee on foot. Officer Samayoa, in his 4th day on the job, found himself in the midst of the situation and, as O'Neill approached, fired a shot through the patrol car's window, stopping him. Body camera footage released by the San Francisco Police Department captured the intense moment. In front of 42-year-old Kayante O'Neill, the officer fatally shot him. A 25-second video shows the officer in the patrol car's passenger seat, firing a shot as the car turns a corner, shattering the window. O'Neill, unarmed, was pronounced dead at San Francisco General Hospital. 3 months later, Officer Samayoa was terminated by Police Chief William Bill Scott.
Run towards the direction of the marked SFPD vehicle while the van he drove continued to roll forward, striking the fence.
In the video, I'm not sure I see him running toward.
Well, you guys have the video, so I'm sure you're gonna look at it frame by frame if you can do that. But look, the reason that we put the video out is for everybody to see what we have at this point.
Police union leader Martin Halloran argued that the firing was unjust for a rookie officer facing extreme stress on his fourth day. In 2020, DA Chesa Boudin pursued homicide charges against Samayoa, a first for the office. Tony Montoya, president of the SF Police Officers Association, pledged support. Judy O'Neill filed a civil rights lawsuit in 2017, settled for $2.5 million before trial. Amid political complexities, charges against Samayoa were dropped by DA Brooke Jenkins, and AG Rob Bonta declined prosecution. In a letter dated May 18th, Bonta cited insufficient evidence for the dismissal of charges against Officer Christopher Samayoa, which was officially carried out by San Francisco Superior Court Judge Loretta Georgi. April Green expressed concern that this decision sets a dangerous precedent, potentially justifying the killing of Black and brown individuals by officers. In 1995, New York police officer Carol Shea posed provocatively in her police uniform for Playboy magazine, earning $100,000 for the gig. Her actions, however, sparked widespread anger and disapproval within her police department. Recent law enforcement incidents reveal both errors and accountability, emphasizing that individual actions don't define the entire police forces. Eric Cantu's quest for justice underscores the need to hold officers accountable. The controversial coin toss by officers Courtney Brown and Christy Wilson emphasizes the importance of ethical conduct and judgment, with their swift dismissal showing zero tolerance. The tragic shooting of Kayante O'Neill highlights the challenges rookies face, emphasizing the immense responsibility on officers. Legal complexities call for a nuanced approach to justice. Cases like Officer Carol Shea's Playboy photoshoot and drug trafficking by detectives Tiffany Lipkovich and Amber Bellamy stress the need for integrity and professionalism. Swift action is crucial to preserve public trust. These incidents stress transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement in law enforcement. We must ensure officers serve and protect with professionalism and compassion.